Get cheap quotes for auto glass replacement. When buying your automobile, there are different warranties that come with your purchase. Even after reading the fine print in your warranties, however, there may still be some parts of the insurance or repair documents that will not cover your needs. One of the parts that may not be covered in your warranty is the accidental damage of auto glass. Whatever reason you may have for getting your windshield glass or door window replaced, it is a rule of thumb to be practical. Here are some things you have to keep in mind in order to get those cheap quotes for your professional auto glass replacement. Ask for the deductibles. For whatever reason you need your quote for, always make it a point to check on the deductibles. Deductibles are the amount that you must personally pay in case you get into an accident or find yourself needing to replace your auto windshield. Depending on the state in which you live, deductibles are usually in costs of $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. Be sure to look into the fine print and the coverage if it coincides with your needs. It is best to get insurance plans whose deductibles are easy on your budget. Otherwise it will become a financial problem instead of helping you get your car glass replaced. Searching for online quotes. There are several sites that can help you estimate the cost for automotive glass replacement. They have search engines that you can use to estimate the cost, depending on the area where you drive your car, the year, model, and how much you drive your car. Make sure that the company's quote description fits in with the services you need for your repair or replacement. If you do not want to use the internet to acquire your quotes, you can simply use these as reference when you ask around your neighborhood. Some suggested sites are autoglassguru.com, 89glass.com, glass.net, carinsurance.com, asking local repair centers. After having compared some quotes online, you can then proceed to ask your local glass repair centers for quotes on the type of car and the type of damage involved. Remember to ask for the type of service they will be able to perform and how fast they will be able to fix your car. They may fit perfectly for your budget, but keep in mind that the crew's credentials are also important in ensuring that you get quality service. Background knowledge. It will help if you can browse through some important concepts on car repair, including basic information on where to get car glass adhesive and the type of glass your car should have. Auto Glass Guru is an online site that has a list of facts you need to know so that you can see if your cheap quote can give you excellent service as well. Laminated glass and tempered glass should be in the list of these companies. If they replace it with another type of glass not secured for car, you might find yourself facing another accident. Getting cheap quotes is a mix of finding the right company and being practical. You must first understand the different policies that are usually involved in car insurances before you can identify what you really need, what you should be insured for, and how often you need to update your insurance. Glass insurances are usually included in the fine print of car insurances, so make sure to read your insurance papers from your car manufacturer or dealer before getting your automotive glass insurance quote.